Good morning, students. So today we are going to have a discussion about a DT-based approach for artificial intelligence. So let me ask you some questions. So we already know artificial intelligence has been deployed in many fields. Okay, even from the agriculture to from healthcare and many applications, industrial applications are there. Even in educational purpose also, we are using the artificial intelligence in many aspects, right? So let me ask you one question. In the specifically, we can take one application in agriculture field. So before going to see about the solution for the agriculture problem, let us see what are the predominant problem the agriculture farmers are facing day to day life. Okay. So list a few problems that we are facing.
The list of problems farmer facing is water scarcity. So he do not know about the water, how much water the plants need to treat in the agricultural field, and this is one of the problems. And second one is climate changes. The farmer do not know the climate changes. Instead of rain, sunset, this like of problems are facing there. And also plants have so many disease. The farmers do not know their plant are
Getting
affected
affected or
thereof.
okay. So these are some problems, right? When you are asking the farmers, they will tell you many problems, right? But specifically, in specific, the listed problem, the which one you are seeing as main problem for the farmers?
So actually gone through and I get some problems from farmers. That is because I am from a farmer background. So I have observed and I looked through it. Major problem faced by farmers is that so plant leaf disease get affected in their farmlands. So majority of the farmers doesn't know what kind of disease is that, and they don't know the proper treatment for those things. So due to that, if one plant gets affected, it is spread all over the farm fields. So through that, they are facing a problem that they couldn't get a proper profit for their farming. So it is very important for the farmers to know what kind of disease is being affected in the plants, and they should know what kind of treatment that they should perform in order to get rid of these disease issues.
Okay, very good. So what Dinesh told is he listed so many problems, and what Dushyant told is actually he narrowed down the problem what Dinesh told. So the the problem the farmers are facing is the plant disease. Because of the plant disease, as he said, the revenue for the farmers and everything it is affected. So this is the problem we identified now, plant disease. So for this plant disease, how to overcome, how to solve this problem? So we may have several methods, artificial intelligence methods, but the ultimate user is farmer. They are uneducated most probably, so they do not know AI and everything, the system coding and the laptop and the desktop computer operating, that will be very difficult. So the idea which we are implementing for this kind of a problem should be able to easily understandable by the farmer. So any idea you have?
So yes sir, so we can, using artificial intelligence, we can propose an ideology.
Okay.
So the main ideology is that we can prepare a disease detection platform using some applications. Nowadays most of the farmers are able to use some part of the smartphone
Yes.
applications. So we can develop a smartphone application which includes of disease detection using their camera. So when the farmers know that their plant leaf is affected with some disease, so they can take a photo and upload it in that app so that it can say that what type of disease the plant leaf is affected and what are the treatment methods that can be used to solve the disease. So how we can develop this project is that we can get the data set from the end users, that is from farmers. Then we can upload and train it using this TensorFlow method.
Okay.
So this TensorFlow method will use some algorithms like support vector machine learning, and then reinforcement learning methodologies you can use. Then we can develop a Flutter based application. So we can give a more number of data sets so that the result will be more accurate. Okay. So then at the prototyping case, we will be getting some complete application developed. So the testing part is that when we upload some images of that leaf disease, so it can be able to detect that what type of disease that is affected and what are the treatment methodologies we can give. So this is some the prototype model.
Okay.
So here this is the disease based application, sir.
Okay.
So here we will be giving the input say image.
Okay.
So it will be giving like what are the process or the methodologies you can use for the treatment disease.
Okay.
So in this case the example is tomato leaf mold is the disease.
Okay.
So the methodology is that we can use exposed dry water methodology to solve this disease.
Okay. So okay, very good. So so as the Bune said, this is the most appropriate method, I think, because as I said, we may have so many methods to solve the problem, but the ultimate user is the farmers. So the farmers must understand the way, I mean, to use the method, even the smartphone or anything, right? So this could be easily understandable to farmers because, as I said, nowadays everyone, not only farmers, everyone having the smartphones. So they are very familiar with the smartphone. So by using the smartphone to processing this, identifying the leaf problem and everything, it will be easier. So hope this method is the most appropriate one. And thanks for the discussion. Thank you.
Thank you.